your special day, and we're here to say, may all your dreams come true in every single way. Happy birthday, shine like the morning sun. Here's to joy, love, laugh, and laughter, and a year full of fun. So we raise a toast to you for all the great things you do. Happy birthday, dear, may all your wishes come true. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy
Ready?
birthday, Day.
Let's go.
Plano na kong anak din na kay may birthday lang. Pero ang time ko money di wala jud ni alaw na ko. So happy birthday. May God grant all your wishes and desires in life. Love you, sister ko. Bye-bye.
Hello, te. Kumusta? Today, it's your birthday. Happy birthday. Enjoy life. At nakasama si Kuya. Laging mag-ingat po. And happy birthday again. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hello sis, good morning. Happy birthday to you.
Ready? Let's go.
Kabalo ka sa akong at sa nina o gold ni siya no kay siyempre 60th birthday na good name mo. So I wish you all the best. I wish you good health, long life, and may the Lord continue to bless you
Ready?
and
Let's go.
your family. And
Happy birthday to
o maghinaot usap ko sis nga hatagan ka o more strength labi na kay
Happy birthday.
nag-atiman ka sa imong bana kang pari ka nga ana ay kabilinggan sa lawas ug amo usab siyang gi-pray nga
Ready?
maangkon ta niya ang restoration sa ihang panglawas o hinagunta sis nga dili ka mawadan sa pag-asa o salig lang kanunay sa Ginoo na kabalo ko dili gyud ka pasagdan ni Lord maayo ra gyud na si paring Edgar.
Ready?
So
Let's go.
I miss you sis
Happy
pasensya kung namanggay ko mga pagkulang sa inyo na wala na kayo ka nag-istorya wala na ta nag-video call pero nakasabot ko kay busy man ka. So ang ako lang gibuhat nga i-appeal ka na mo sa mong prayer. So enjoy your day. I miss you, I love you. Happy birthday. Today is your birthday, a very special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all your sorrows. It's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, the most awaited day. You can hear the voices of your dearest friend singing a birthday song. Sunod. None is none. A happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hi Len, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Prayers ko na more years to come at good health palagi. Happy birthday and flowers for you. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hi sis! Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday! Wow, 60 ka na ha. Senior ka na. Enjoy being a senior and welcome to the club. So today, this is your very special day. So enjoy with your friends, with your family, and I hope that God will continue to bless you and grant you what you are praying for. Good health lang, Permisis, amping kanunay.
Hello, Josephine. Happy birthday. 60 na yun ka. Senior na tabi. Hinaot nga tagan kag taas ng kinabuhi, may lawas, luwas sa sakit, uban sa imong pamilya, kay Edgar ug mga anak. Hinaot nga makabakasyon ka din Hipin, sa Montevista, makita-kita ta. Usbon ako, happy birthday. Love you. Miss you, Pin. Hello, Maria Elena. Good morning. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you from Montevista. Enjoy your birthday. Hi.
Happy birthday, best friend. Hinaot, less stress, healthy kanunay, wala na daghang mga problema nga modangat sa imong kinabuhi ug happy kana kanunay ilabi na halos professional na ang imong mga anak. Mar, salamat kayo nga ikaw ang akong best friend. Ispoko mo na. Naapil pa ang imong tatay. Ginaapil ko niya pagmuhatag siya pangbaon nimo. Ug labaw sa tanan, bisan og wala ko diha sa amoa, kung makauli ka sa atoa, ginaadto jud nimo ang akong pamilya with matching pasalubong pa. Mar, you're the best, Jude, Mar. Sukat kita nagkamiga, wala jud ta nag-agig away-away. Salamat kayo og hinaot, magkita na pod ta og uta. Ilabi na nga senior na taog. Makasuroy ka diri sa amoa. Again, happy birthday and thank you.
Happy birthday, Maria Elena Berso Macaraig. Happy birthday. Mate, enjoy your day. Oh, happy birthday.
To my beloved classmate, Maria Elena, I would like to greet you a happy birthday. And I pray that the Lord will continue to give the desire of your heart. The Lord will provide all your needs and give you good health and prosperity. Para sa taga-alumni sa Montevista National High School, happy birthday!
Hi, Cecilin. Happy birthday. I wish you good health, joy, happiness, strong, and success. Enjoy your day with your family and friends. Once again, happy birthday. Thank you, Cecil, to inform me. Enjoy your day. Long life. Pilgrims of Hope. Once again, happy birthday. May God bless. Thank you.